Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone battery draining too fast. Battery drain issues are nothing new on iPhone. A minimal amount of battery does get drained and that is completely normal. There is something wrong, like a small change in the settings parameter can cause the iPhone's battery to drain drastically. In this video I'll tell you how can you fix this issue, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is lower the auto lock time. You should set your iPhone to lock automatically after a preset amount of time. To settings, next scroll down and go to display and brightness option. Then scroll down and choose auto lock. The lower you set this value, the quicker your iPhone screen turns off when you are not using the device. This helps you to save a lot of battery power. And you are done. And the next step is reduce white points. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to accessibility option. Next, choose display and text size. Scroll down to the bottom and turn on reduce white point. Now you will see a reduction in overall brightness, so you can adjust the slider to calibrate the overall features so that you can get a uniform experience. And you are done. And the next step is turn on the auto brightness feature. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to accessibility option. Then choose display and text size. Scroll down to the bottom and then turn on auto brightness feature. And you are done. And the next step is disable the autoplay videos option. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to accessibility option. Tap on it, then tap on motion. Next, see if autoplay video previews is on. Tap on its toggle button to disable it. And you are done. Next step is enable background app refresh on iPhone. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Then scroll down and choose background app refresh. Then tap on background app refresh again. Set this to Wi-Fi mode. Come back to the list of apps or process that works in the background. Go through that list and disable this for any of the apps that you don't want to refresh. And you are done. And the next step is change the mail push frequently. For this, open the settings app. Next, go to the mail app. Tap on it. Then tap on accounts. Open the fetch new data settings. And disable the push feature in there. Later, set the fetch mode to hourly mode or 30 minutes. Should save a lot of battery. And you are done. And the next step is disable haptics for keyboard. For this, go to settings and scroll down, choose sound and haptics option. Next, scroll down and go to keyboard feedback. Then turn off sound and haptic. And you are done. And the next step is turn off analytics sharing feature. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to privacy and security option. Then scroll down and choose analytics and improvement settings. Disable all the listed analytics options. You will save a lot of battery disabling this analytics transfer issue. And you are done. And the next step is disable share my location. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to privacy and security option. Then tap on location services at the top. Then tap on its toggle button to disable it. And then tap on turn off again to confirm. And you are done. And the next step is use dark mode. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to display and brightness option. Then choose dark mode from here. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone battery drain too fast. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.